Next, question number 3. The two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 4:5. So, two adjacent angle. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Let angle BAD is to ABC. BAD, this angle is to this angle equal to 4:5. These two angle, ratio of the two adjacent angle is 4:5. So angle DAB is to angle CBA equal to 4:5. Let the common factor be x. Therefore, it is x degree. So DAB equal to 4x degree and ABC equal to 5x degree here. Now these are the two adjacent angle and they are also co-interior angle. So sum of this co-interior angle is 180 degree. So this is 4x degree, this is 5x degree. So 4x plus 5x equal to 180 degree. 4x plus 5x equal to 180. 9x equal to 180 and x equal to 20. So DAB equal to 4 into x, that is 4 into 20 equal to 80 degree, and ABC equal to 5x. So ABC equal to 5x equal to 5 into 20 equal to 100 degree. And we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So BCD equal to DAB. So BCD, this angle equal to this angle equal to 80 degree, and ABC equal to ADC equal to 100 degree. Next, question number 4. In question number 4, it is given that two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are 3x minus 4 whole degree and 3x plus 16 whole degree. Find the value of x and hence find the measures of each of its angle. So here ABCD is a parallelogram. According to the condition, let angle DAB equal to 3x plus minus 4 degree and ABC equal to 3x plus 16 degree. These two angle, it is 3x minus 4 degree and it is 3x plus 16 degree. Now sum of the two adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree. These are the two adjacent angle, and sum of any two pair of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So DAB plus angle ABC equal to 180, and value of these two angle is 3x minus 4 and 3x plus 16 equal to 180. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Solve this and find the value of x equal to 28. Now put this value of x in this expression, 3x minus 4 and 3x plus 16. So DAB equal to 3x minus 4. Here DAB equal to BCD, opposite angles of the parallelogram. So DAB equal to BCD equal to 3x minus 4 equal to 3x into 28. 3 into 28 minus 4 equal to 80 degree. So DAB equal to BCD equal to 80 degree. And also ABC equal to ADC. These are the opposite angles of a parallelogram. They are equal to 3x plus 16 degree. So 3x minus plus 16 equal to 3 into 28. Value of x is 28 plus 16 equal to 100 degree. Next, one more. Question number 5. It is given that the sum of the two opposite angles of a parallelogram is 130 degree. Sum of the two opposite angles of a parallelogram is 130 degree. Find the measures of each of its angle. Here in question number 5, ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle A equal to angle C. Sum of the angle A equal to C because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So angle A and angle C are opposite angles, and sum of the two opposite angle is 130 degree. It is given condition. So angle DAB plus BCD, DAB this angle plus BCD this angle, sum of these two angle are equal, and sum of these two angle is 130 degree. It is given. So DAB plus DAB plus DAB because they are equal. So replace BCD by DAB. So DAB plus DAB equal to 130 degree. So 2 into angle DAB equal to 130 degree. DAB equal to angle DAB equal to 65 degree. Here BCD equal to DAB because these are the equal angle. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now DAB equal to BCD equal to 65 degree. Now angle DAB plus ABC equal to 180 degree, co-interior angle. these two angle are coincident angle. Sum of these two angle is 180 degree, and this angle is 65 degree. So 65 plus ABC. Here 65 plus ABC equal to 180. So ABC equal to 180 minus 65 degree equal to 115 degree. So ABC equal to 115 degree. And since ABC equal to 115 degree, so ADC also 115 degree, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. In question number 8, in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a rectangle. BM and DN are the perpendicular from B and D on the diagonal AC. Prove that BMC congruents DNA. Is it true that BM equal to DN? Here ABCD is a rectangle. DN and BM are the perpendicular from the vertex D and vertex B from the diagonal AC. So ABCD is a rectangle, DN perpendicular AC, BM perpendicular AC. Now in these two triangles, in the triangle AND and triangle CMB, these are the 90 degree angle. These two sides are equal, that means AD equal to BC, opposite angles of a rectangle, and this is equal to 90 degree, this angle, that is AND equal to BMC, 90 degree angle. So by the property, and also these two angles are equal, NAD equal to BCM, interior alternate angle. So by the property, angle, side, these two angles are congruent. So AND congruent CMB by angle, side congruency. Therefore DN equal to BM by CPCT. Now question number 9. In the given figure, in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram and the line segment AE and CA bisect the angle A and C respectively, so that AE parallel CA. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. AE and CA are the bisector of angle A and angle C respectively. Prove that AE parallel CA. So here angle DAB equal to angle BCD, opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. Now half of angle DAB equal to half of angle CBCD. Here DAB equal to BCD, opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. So half of angle DAB equal to half of this angle. Now half of angle DAB equal to DAE, because half of this angle equal to DAE, this angle. Half of whole angle equal to this angle, because this is a bisector. Similarly, half of this angle equal to this angle, because it is a bisector. So DAE equal to BCF, it is equation 1. Now in triangle DAE and triangle BCF, these two triangle. So these are the equal angle. These two sides are equal, opposite sides of a rectangle, and these two angles are also equal, opposite angles of a parallelogram. So these two triangles are congruent by the property angle, side, angle. Therefore, these two sides DE equal to FB. Here already written DE equal to FB, CPCT, and also DC equal to AB, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now here we already proved that DE equal to FB and ABCD is a parallelogram. So DC equal to AB. Now DC minus DE equal to AB minus FB. Here already written that DE equal to FB and DC equal to AB, opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. So it is equation 3 and it is equation 2. So subtract 2 from 1. DC minus DE equal to AB minus FB. So DC minus DE equal to, from the figure it is CE, and AB minus FB, from the figure it is AF, and also CE parallel AF. That means in the figure these two sides are equal and these two sides are also parallel, because this DC parallel AB, So these two sides EC equal to AF and EC parallel AF. Therefore AECAF is a parallelogram because one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel in this quadrilateral. So AECF is a parallelogram. Therefore AE parallel CF. Now in question number 10, ABCD is a rhombus where the diagonal AC and BD intersect at the point O. Here ABCD is a rhombus and the diagonal AC and BD intersect at the point O, and we know that, and also given that length of the two diagonals are AC equal to 16 cm and BD equal to 12 cm. So AC equal to 16 and BD equal to 12 cm. And we know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So it is right angle, and OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. So OA equal to half of AB, OA equal to half of AC. It is AC. It is AC. So half of 1 by 1 16, 1 by 2 into 16 equal to 8 cm, and OB equal to half of BD, that is half into 12 equal to 6 cm, and this angle is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle, and by Pythagoras theorem, in the right angle triangle OAB, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. Here AB square equal to OA square plus OB square, and OA square equal to 8 square and OB square equal to 6 square. So 8 square equal to 64 and 6 square equal to 36. So 64 plus 36 100. So AB square equal to 100. So AB equal to 100 equal to 10. So length of each side is equal to 10 centimeter. Next question number 11. In the given figure, ABCD is a square. It is a square given, that is AD equal to DC equal to CB equal to AB. All the sides are equal and it is a diagonal AC. Now these two sides are also equal. So in the triangle ADC, DA equal to DC, that means it is an isosceles triangle. So base angle are equal. Let it is x degree. It is x degree. Now sum of the three angles of the triangle DAC equal to 180 degree. So x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. So x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 45 degree. So CAD equal to x equal to 45 degree. One more, question number 12. Let ABCD is a rectangle and length of the sides of the rectangle are in the ratio 5:4. So let AB is to BC equal to 5:4. Let if x be the common factor, then AB equal to 5x centimeter and BC equal to 4x centimeter. Now perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into AB plus BC, 2 into 5x plus 4x centimeter equal to 18 centimeter, and also given that perimeter of this rectangle is 90 centimeter. So 18x equal to 90. So x equal to 90 by 5. So x equal to 5. So length equal to AB equal to 5x centimeter equal to 5 into 5, 25 centimeter, and breadth equal to BC equal to 4x centimeter equal to 4 into 5, 20 centimeter. Thank you.